Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a replica of Panera Bread's green passion smoothie. A copycat recipe, but better. It's my favorite green juice smoothie by far. It's so good I can make this every day. Panera Bread has been one of my favorite spots for some awesome sandwiches and soups. And of course this green passion smoothie. But once I tasted this smoothie, I knew I had to try and figure out how to make this. A Panera Bread employee told me it has a bunch of ingredients, but it's mainly a spinach and peach base smoothie. After some trial testing of my own fruit and juice mixes, I now think I've nailed their green passion smoothie taste. But to be honest, I think my version tastes even better. So stay tuned and I'll show you the process. So here's what you'll need. 1 cup of frozen mango, and everything else here was chilled in the refrigerator before preparing to get the best results. That includes 1 cup of white grape juice, 1 can of sliced peaches in heavy syrup, 1 green apple, and 1 cup of fresh green spinach. Okay, first we'll cut the green apple in half, then in fourths, then in eighths. And you can remove the seeds in the process. And we'll cut those slices into thirds so it blends well in the blender. And it's okay to leave the skin on the apples as it will blend this finely. It'll also give your smoothie specks of that green color. So in the blender we'll add the 1 cup of white grape juice, our chopped green apples, 1 cup of frozen mango, the entire chilled can of sliced peaches in heavy syrup. And for now, we're gonna blend all this into a puree except the spinach. We don't want the spinach to be finely blended with these ingredients. From what I've tested, it doesn't taste the same if it's all finely blended together. And you just want to blend this until you get everything smooth as possible. The green apple skins may still show, but it'll blend out in the next blend. And the puree looks pretty smooth here. Now we can add the 1 cup of fresh spinach. And you may need to grab some kind of stick. In my case, I'm using a wooden straw to push the spinach down into the puree so it blends well. Now I'm going to put this on a medium to high blend, and I'm just going to keep an eye on the spinach and just watch until it gets to little speckles. And when you see it like this, that's the perfect blend. The smoothie should be cold enough to drink as is, without ice, but if you add ice, add it after you've blended together. If you add ice in the blender with the ingredients, it will taste watery. I've tried it. I can tell you, this one came out so good, just like Panera Bread's green passion smoothie, just a bit more sweeter and better.
Oh yeah, this is better than Panera Bread's. Way better. Try this recipe out.
This was Panera Bread's green passion smoothie for $5.99. And this was my homemade green passion smoothie for a fraction of the cost. Try it out and let me know what you think. Enjoy!